Today we're going to learn about dividing fractions by a whole number. Dividing fractions by a whole number is very simple and easy. All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Flip or turn upside down the denominator to get the reciprocal fraction. Step 2. Multiply the numerator with the reciprocal fraction. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. Let's first understand how flipping or turning upside down the denominator works. Let's say we have a fraction like 7/10, where 7 is the numerator and the 10, which is in green, is the denominator. So, we can write 7/10 like this. 7 divided by 10 equals how much? Or 7 times 1/10 equals how much? Now, if you look closely here, 1/10 is the reciprocal fraction for 10. So, dividing is the same as multiplying the numerator, which in our case would be 7, with the reciprocal fraction of the denominator, which in our case is 10. So it would be, in our case, 7 times 1/10 is equal to how much? So, let's say we had an equation problem like this. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. We could write this like this. Or we could also write it like this. 12 times 1/3, which is equal to 4. Note that over here, 1/3 is the reciprocal fraction for 3. So, let's say we have a division problem like this. 7/10 divided by 14 is equal to how much? Well, let's turn this into a huge fraction, where 7/10 is the numerator and 14 is the denominator. So, let me say that again and write it down. 7/10 is the numerator over, you can see it is over because of the huge fraction line, over 14. Equals how much? So, as step 1 says, we have to find the reciprocal fraction of the denominator, which in our case is 14. So, we have to flip 14 upside down. So, the reciprocal fraction of 14 is 1 over 14. Step 2 says to multiply the numerator, which is 7/10, by the reciprocal fraction of the denominator, which is 1 over 14. So now it becomes 7 over 10 times 1 over 14. let me rewrite this so you can see that 14 is the denominator. So 7/10 times 1 over 14, which is in green because it is the denominator, and 7/10 is in black because it is the numerator. So it is equal to 7 and 14 are both divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. And 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So now it becomes 1 over 10 times 1 over 2, which is equal to, so let's first multiply the numerators. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Over 10 times 2, which is equal to 20. So 7/10 divided by 14 is equal to, let's erase the question mark because we know what the question mark is now. So 7 over 10 divided by 14 is equal to 1 over 20. Today we learned about dividing fractions by a whole number. Thank you for watching this video.